Oh. Nakuha ko yun eh. Ha? Hindi ko alam.
Shuttle mo?
Aray ko.
Uy, kaya nagkaroon na yung skin niya. Ikaw like gold. Oh, it's so good. I will tell this to you. And this she's so dumb. So I will know how he will react. Kay Diana sila. Yeah, autograph call. Autograph. I'm tired of waiting and waiting. You win. Oh, this is the second. Sorry. It's in 1 minute and 2 minutes. Yeah. Let me wait. Okay, so no video. Ano build? Jump can climb and jump right? Bro, this is so dumb. No, this is so dumb. I will tell this for 30.
Chichilyon na ako ni. First. Dami ko na yung tulak.
Yo, I'm not you.
Yo.
Do you have games? The games what you play? Games. Let's play. Games. You must stay out. Where the games? Where is your games? Where is your games? Games. Let's play. Let's play your games. Where's the game? You have. What is it? The game.
1.6. Okay.
Let me see. Where are you working? It's like at 1,000 minutes. Oh, ABC. What?
Huwag yan.
Where's the B?
Ito ba dapat yung video ko ikaw lang. Hindi ko pala. Hindi ko pala pwede ko i-weekend. Kasi wala ditong trade.
No, this is good.
Session, let's go.
Okay. Sun. Okay.
Electro.
Minutes. 1 hour. 1 minute. 3 minutes. Kaya. 3 minutes. Listo.
Ano?
Unlock for $50. Oh, how about this?
Nagsisim ka?
Okay, give you more money, not this. How poor you are. I know you're rich. Give me all your money for colonies. Yeah. We need to assassinate. Right? Okay, so this 1 minute. Okay. 3 minutes. So I can do with what is for. Yeah. Then you only do
Ginagawa mo yun.
Ha?
yeah, tayo. Ano ba? Time machine. Ito na. Okay. Wala ito. Wala pa.
Sabi. Ako rin yun.
Sorry ba?
Jenny.
That's why you can find this. Kapit. Like, 3 minutes and start now. Evan. 3 minutes. Start now. 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes.
Eva?
Evan. Diba ka?
Eva. Eva de Jesus?
Ivan.
Ivan.
De Jesus.
De Jesus?
Yung Bible player noon.
Yung man?
Was a 25.
I don't remember names. I remember face.
Nandun si may Trina. Ay, may Trina. Yung classmate may Trina. Wala si Liam. Keep going. Nandyan si Ivan. Del Santos. Ay, Del Santos yata. Del Santos. Bro, if you do like this, it will go faster. Easy to done. Let's make this. Okay, so there. Okay, so like 1 now. Oh, we did it now. Wait, let me just make this like here and here. Here.
Baka matumba sa'yo yan, pe, ha? Mabigat yan. Siguro, matumba dyan. Pag matumba yan.
Dahil ito eh. So, you've done almost M.
Tawag na ako. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Why aren't you reacting? How are you? Okay. Tired. Okay. So, I suppose you have. What's that? Is that a new case?
$6. You're my baby. You're so good. You're so good at selling. So, what you'll give me? Okay. What you'll give me? Give me more than you'll give me more than.
Yeah, I am sharing my screen.
That's
Not working again?
very fair. Yeah, kurang isa here. It's really so fair. Oh, you know my best superior.
Okay. Before we continue, can I just call again so we can get our book ready? Okay. Alright, hold on. Hello. Hello. Can you see me now? Can you hear me well? Yes. Okay. What about the book? Can you see it? So, how is it that it was able to fit? Okay. So, but then it fits your phone. So, is it a good thing that you ordered wrong and then it's also sent you the wrong size? Okay, blessing in disguise. Works for you, good for you. Yeah. What's the other case then? The mermaid one. Sleeping? Okay. I see. I think this one is cute, but it's not convenient because whenever you use the camera, you have to, remove the hair. But anyway, thank you for sharing that. And I am also sharing the screen now. Can you see it? Oh, good. So maybe before you answer the call, I should be sharing the screen already. That's what I did. Okay. Are you ready? I know you're tired, but we have to get going. Okay. All right. So We finished this one. We finished this part last time, right? And even this part. But we're going to focus on this part because for our next activity, this activity that we did last time will also be our activity for tonight. Okay? So let's be reading using transitions.
Yeah, grade 1 8 ya.
Let me get my pen. There you go. So we can use this. We can use these transitions first, second, third. Also could be used in the beginning of the sentence or within the sentence. Okay. We can also use in addition. First of all, lastly and finally together. Moreover, furthermore, and most of all. So these are the transitions to organize your thoughts and okay. Are you with me? Okay. Alright, so let's have this paragraph or essay on my favorite restaurant. All you have to do is write proper transitions in the paragraph. Let's have, so other than the transition phrases that you're going to put, please also type the rest of the sentence. Okay? Okay. Most of all already? Yeah, I think it's first of all because you're just starting. Okay, so you type that. Oh, hi there, Miss. I don't know what to say. You always remind me of a dog. A red-billed dog. No, you don't have the right to do so. Her mom wants it. Oh, that you have to confirm with her mom. Yes. But that's not my job to do. That's the manager's job to do. So, should I call the managers? No. We have from 1900, 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. What? That's your mom, are you sure? You want to use this as your mom? Oh, okay, that's much better for a mom. Because labubus are like monsters. What? That much? I cannot. I'm not a genius. I'm not a genius. I thought you were just going to give me like, okay, I'm okay with 1,000 times just maybe 2 to 3 digits, but not 1,000 million. What? I'm not bothered that. I'm not a genius. But anyway, this is not math. I'm sorry. This is not a math subject or math lesson. Amen. How do you read that? Trillion and then what? What's the next one? Million. No?
Don't go ahead with. Gorilla
Quadrillion.
ito eh.
Quadrillion.
Yeah.
No figures between those trillion, quadrillion, trillion, million, billion, million, thousand? You just said quadrillion. If that's money, then that's really a lot. No. We cannot just do that. Come back.
Bumabay ka?
Oh, I already pressed number 2 a while ago.
But this was go.
Oh no. Let's go, Jamin. Go. Jamin. Let's go, Jamin. I know you're tired and all, but I get it. But after this, you can do whatever you want. You know, just an hour. It's not actually an hour, it's just 50 minutes, 25 minutes, and then have a quick break, and then another 25 minutes. I know we can do this. Oh, but you have to type the rest of the sentence. First of all,